Hey there, beading friends! Let me share the 3 key benefits of becoming a member of my channel. First, access to 5 exclusive ads-free video courses with 5 tutorials each. I have designs for earrings, pendants, rings and bracelets. Expect more courses in future. Second, gain access to a special gallery on my website featuring 40 high-quality beading patterns, each worth $5, which is the average online price of such designs, amounting to $200 worth that you get for just $6.99. This will massively grow in future, surpassing 100 and more designs and value above $500. You will get a special link and a password to download them. I have designs for holidays and special occasions as well. Third, perks like you will get early access to some of my future videos. There will be special posts visible only for members. You will become part of a friendly community. And you will receive special perks like badges to stand out in the comments, depending on the time you have been a member, from 1 to 48 months. Special emojis reserved only for members. You will support my channel and my mission to create new beading tutorials. You can start and cancel the membership anytime. Now I have a top supporter level that includes all the above benefits plus my special gratitude. So click on the join button next to the subscribe and become a member now.